They call it the heartberry, the immunity booster, and even nature's candy. Yes, strawberries deserve their fame. When eaten correctly, they can protect your heart, strengthen your bones, support healthy blood sugar, and even slow down the march of aging itself. But here's the shocking truth nobody tells seniors. The way most people are eating strawberries is secretly sabotaging all those benefits. One small mistake with how you wash them, store them, or even combine them with the wrong foods could quietly wreck your digestion, spike inflammation, weaken muscles, and, most alarmingly, accelerate brain fog and memory decline. And science backs this up. Studies from Harvard Medical School and the Journal of Nutrition reveal that when strawberries are processed, stored, or eaten incorrectly, they can lose up to 70% of their protective antioxidants, leaving you with little more than a sugary snack in disguise. And who suffers the most? Seniors over 60, because our bodies process sugar differently. Our gut lining is more delicate, and common medications often interfere with the very nutrients in these berries. That's why today we're revealing the 8 strawberry mistakes that can turn this superfood into a hidden threat to your health. Ranked from risky to absolutely shocking, these are errors almost no one talks about, but they could mean the difference between strawberries protecting your heart and brain or quietly fueling their decline. Stay with me until mistake number 1, because it's not about how many strawberries you eat. It's about one simple morning habit that top nutritionists now warn could quietly sabotage your energy, memory, and joint health. I've spent hours researching this topic, and I'll share everything I learned with you over the next few minutes. So grab your notebook, hit that like button, and let's uncover the truth about strawberries. Because after 60, getting this right could literally save your heart, your brain, and your independence. Okay, let's start our countdown. Strawberry mistake number 8 is eating them straight out of the plastic container without washing. It's tempting, I know. Strawberries look so fresh and clean, but the reality is they top the Environmental Working Group's Dirty Dozen list almost every single year. That means they're among the most pesticide-contaminated fruits sold in grocery stores. For seniors, pesticides are not just a minor nuisance. They're linked to hormonal disruption, immune suppression, and even increased risk of cognitive decline. A 2019 study in JAMA Internal Medicine found higher pesticide exposure correlated with greater risk of neurological disease. The fix is simple. Wash strawberries under running cold water for at least 20 seconds, and if you want to go further, soak them in a solution of baking soda and water. Just avoid soap or bleach. Those do more harm than good. But if washing seems like common sense, wait until you hear number 7, because it's about a storage mistake that can destroy strawberries' nutrients before you even take a bite. Strawberry mistake number 7 is storing them in the fridge the wrong way. Tossing them straight into the refrigerator in their plastic clamshell seems harmless, but moisture buildup accelerates mold and nutrient loss. Vitamin C, one of the biggest reasons strawberries are so powerful for immunity, is highly unstable. A Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry study showed that vitamin C levels can drop by nearly half after just 5 days of poor storage. And here's why that matters more after 60. Our immune defenses weaken naturally with age, so every milligram of vitamin C counts. The fix? Line a glass container with paper towels, spread the berries in a single layer, and keep the lid slightly open. This preserves freshness, fights mold, and retains antioxidants longer. Now, storage is important, but the next mistake is one most seniors never even consider, and it could silently sabotage your digestion. Strawberry mistake number 6 is pairing them with sugary toppings or processed cereals. Strawberries already contain natural fructose, which is fine in moderation, but adding syrups, whipped cream, or sugary flakes spikes blood sugar far beyond what most seniors' bodies can handle. After 60, insulin sensitivity declines, and high sugar loads don't just affect diabetes risk. They accelerate muscle loss, weaken eyesight, and fuel fatigue. Research from the American Diabetes Association confirms that sudden glucose spikes can impair memory in older adults within just hours. The solution? Pair strawberries with protein and healthy fat instead, like plain Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, or a handful of unsalted nuts. This slows sugar absorption and turns your snack into a brain and muscle-friendly meal. Speaking of digestion, mistake number 5 is all about fiber, or rather, ignoring it. Many people eat strawberries in smoothies and juices, but blending often means straining away the seeds and pulp. Those tiny seeds aren't just texture, they're loaded with insoluble fiber that keeps digestion regular and helps lower cholesterol. After 60, constipation becomes a more common struggle, and fiber is the body's natural broom. According to Harvard's School of Public Health, adults should aim for 25 to 30 grams of fiber daily, yet most seniors barely get half that. The fix is straightforward. Eat strawberries whole whenever possible. If you do blend them, keep the pulp in. Don't strain it out. Now, before we move on to the final 4, let's quickly recap what we've learned so far. Washing strawberries thoroughly removes harmful pesticides. Storing them properly keeps vitamin C intact. Pairing them with protein prevents dangerous sugar spikes. And keeping the seeds and pulp ensures you get critical fiber for healthy digestion. 4 simple tweaks that turn strawberries from an ordinary snack into a true superfood. But if you think those were important, wait until you hear number 4, because it's something most seniors do every single morning. Strawberry mistake number 4 is eating them on an empty stomach with nothing else. It seems harmless, but strawberries are acidic and high in fructose. Eating them first thing in the morning can cause stomach discomfort, bloating, and even worse an acid reflux, a problem that affects nearly 40% of seniors. And that sugar hit without fiber or protein alongside it? It can trigger a quick energy burst followed by a crash, leaving you foggy and irritable. Instead, eat strawberries with breakfast proteins like eggs, oats, or unsweetened yogurt. This stabilizes blood sugar and reduces acid irritation. Mistake number 3 is thinking, organic doesn't matter. Normally, buying organic is optional, but with strawberries it's different. Non-organic strawberries are among the most pesticide-heavy foods available, with residues of over 20 different chemicals found in testing. Seniors are particularly vulnerable because aging livers process toxins more slowly, and pesticide exposure has been linked to faster cognitive decline. If your budget allows, choose organic strawberries, especially if you eat them regularly. The payoff is fewer toxins and more peace of mind. Now, number 2 might surprise you, because it's not about what you add to strawberries, but what you take away. Peeling them or trimming off too much of the outer flesh actually removes the densest source of antioxidants. Anthocyanins, the compounds that give strawberries their deep red color, are concentrated right under the skin. These anthocyanins are powerful anti-inflammatories, and a 2020 review in Frontiers in Nutrition showed they can reduce joint pain and improve blood vessel health. Seniors who already struggle with arthritis or circulation issues lose out if they cut away too much. The fix? Rinse gently, but eat the berry whole, seeds, skin, and all. And finally, mistake number 1, the most shocking of all. It's not about how many strawberries you eat, it's about mixing them with the wrong beverage. Many seniors love blending strawberries into smoothies with fruit juice or worse, sipping them alongside sweetened iced tea. But when you flood the body with fructose and tannins at once, you reduce iron absorption. This is critical after 60 when anemia risk rises sharply. Low iron means fatigue, brain fog, and even higher fall risk. Nutritionists warn that seniors who combine vitamin C-rich foods like strawberries with high tannin drinks can block the very mineral absorption that strawberries are supposed to support. The fix is simple but life-changing. If you enjoy strawberries, eat them with water, herbal teas, or protein-rich meals, but not with black tea, coffee, or sugary juices. So there you have it, the 8 strawberry mistakes that could quietly sabotage your health after 60. Washing thoroughly, storing properly, pairing wisely, keeping the seeds, avoiding empty stomach spikes, choosing organic, eating the skin, and steering clear of the wrong beverage combinations. Each of these fixes is small on its own, but together they transform strawberries back into the true superfood they're meant to be, protecting your heart, strengthening your memory, easing your digestion, and even guarding your independence. So the next time you reach for nature's candy, remember, it's not just about eating strawberries, it's about eating them right. If you found this eye-opening, leave a comment below sharing which mistake surprised you most. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more senior health tips that keep you sharp, strong, and thriving. Because the truth is, after 60, every little choice matters. And getting strawberries right could be one of the sweetest ways to protect your future.